Mother of psychiatric nursing, Hildegard Peplau. Father of psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud. Classical conditioning, Ivan Pavlov. Operant conditioning, B.F. Skinner. Social learning or modeling, Albert Bandura. Cognitive therapy founder, Aaron Beck. Defense mechanism considered most mature, sublimation, projection, attributing one's own feelings to others, displacement, shifting emotion from source to safer target, reaction formation, unacceptable impulse replaced by its opposite, schizophrenia, duration for diagnosis more than 6 months with more than 1 month's active symptoms. Schizophreniform disorder duration 1 to 6 months. Positive symptoms, delusions, hallucinations, disorganized speech or behavior. Negative symptoms, alogia, avolition, anhedonia, asociality, and flat affect. Most common hallucination in schizophrenia, auditory. Visual hallucinations are common in organic or medical conditions. First rank symptoms given by Snyder, thought broadcasting, running commentary, and third person voices. Best prognosis in schizophrenia, acute onset, good premorbid, mood symptoms, family history of mood disorder. Dopamine hypothesis. If mesolimbic dopamine increased, then positive symptoms. If mesocortical dopamine decreased, then negative or cognitive symptoms. Nigrostriatal blockade can lead to EPS, extrapyramidal symptoms. Tuberoinfundibular blockade can lead to alteration in prolactin, galactorrhea or amenorrhea. Clozapine is DOC for treatment-resistant schizophrenia. Clozapine key risk: agranulocytosis, myocarditis, seizures, siluria, which means excessive salivation, needs ANC monitoring. Highest metabolic syndrome risk among antipsychotics, clozapine and olanzapine. Risperidone, increased prolactin, gynecomastia and amenorrhea risk. EPS, acute dystonia treated with imbenztropine or diphenhydramine. Akathisia treated with propranolol or benzodiazepine. Drug-induced Parkinsonism treated with benztropine or amantadine. Tardive dyskinesia, involuntary movements treated by switching to clozapine or using VMAT2 inhibitors, tetrabenazine or valbenazine. Neuroleptic malignant syndrome triad, hyperthermia, rigidity, and autonomic instability, treated with dantrolene and bromocriptine. Major depressive disorder duration, more than 2 weeks with functional impairment. First line pharmacotherapy for depression, SSRIs. Depression, sleep change, decreased REM latency, increased total REM, early morning awakening. Severe depression with suicidality, psychosis, or non-eating, ECT is indicated. ECT no absolute contraindications. Major relative contraindications are raised ICP or recent MI. ECT essentials are general anesthesia, succinylcholine, therapeutic seizure for 30 to 60 seconds.
Give thiamine before glucose in malnourished or alcohol-dependent patients to prevent Wernicke's encephalopathy. Bipolar first disorder, at least one manic episode is enough for diagnosis. Hypomania not required. Mania duration, more than 1 week or any duration if hospitalization. Hypomania duration, more than 4 days, no marked impairment or psychosis. Acute mania treatment, lithium or valproate plus antipsychotic. Drug of choice, maintenance in bipolar disorder, lithium. Bipolar depression, avoid antidepressant monotherapy. Rapid cycling bipolar disorder, valproate most effective. Lithium therapeutic range, maintenance 0.6 to 1 milliequivalent per liter. Toxicity, more than 1.5 milliequivalent per liter. Lithium side effects, tremor, polyuria, nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, hypothyroidism, weight gain, teratogenicity. Lithium level increases with dehydration, NSAIDs, ACE inhibitors, thiazides. Valproate key risk. hepatotoxicity, pancreatitis, neural tube defects. Lamotrigine risk, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, slow titration, carbamazepine risk, agranulocytosis, hyponatremia, SIAD, and rash. Panic disorder, recurrent unexpected panic attacks plus worry or avoidance more than 1 month. First line treatment SSRI plus CBT. GAD duration, generalized anxiety disorder duration more than 6 months. Excessive anxiety or worry, buspirone is non-sedating option. Specific phobia best therapy, systemic desensitization or exposure therapy. Social anxiety performance only, propranolol, PRN, generalized SSRI plus CBT. OCD, obsessions are ego-dystonic thoughts, DOC, SSRI plus ERP, exposure and response prevention. Clomipramine, also effective. PTSD, symptoms persist more than 1 month, early less than 1 month, acute stress disorder. PTSD core, re-experiencing, avoidance, negative mood or cognitions, hyperarousal, dissociative amnesia with purposeful travel, dissociative fugue. Conversion disorder, stress converts into neurological symptoms with no disease. Somatic symptom disorder, physical symptoms with too much health worry. Delirium, decreased consciousness plus fluctuating confusion, acute and reversible. Delirium EEG, brainwaves slow. Vascular dementia, stepwise decline plus focal neuroscience. Dementia, chronic progressive memory loss with cognitive decline. Most common dementia in elderly, Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's drug, donepezil, rivastigmine, galantamine, memantine, moderate to severe. Lewy body dementia, visual hallucinations, Parkinsonism, fluctuating cognition, antipsychotic sensitivity. Frontotemporal dementia, early personality change, disinhibition, apathy. Pseudodementia, cognitive complaints due to depression, improves with treatment. MMSE total score 30, less than 24 suggests impairment. Alcohol withdrawal symptoms starts within 6 to 24 hours. Delirium tremens at 48 to 72 hours after last drink. Alcohol withdrawal DOC, benzodiazepine, diazepam, chlordiazepoxide. In liver disease, lorazepam, oxazepam. Wernicke's triad, ophthalmoplegia, ataxia, confusion thiamine deficiency, Korsakoff syndrome, anterograde amnesia and confabulation. Disulfiram causes aversive reaction with alcohol, avoid in cardiac disease, pregnancy and psychosis. Opioid overdose triad, meiosis, respiratory depression and coma. Antidote, naloxone. Opioid withdrawal, lacrimation, rhinorrhea, piloerection, yawning, maintenances, methadone, buprenorphine. Benzodiazepine overdose antidote, flumazenil, risk of seizures. Stimulant, cocaine or amphetamine intoxication, mydriasis, euphoria, tachycardia and chest pain. PCP, phencyclidine intoxication hallmark, violent behavior plus vertical nystagmus. ADHD first line, behavioral therapy plus stimulants, methylphenidate, amphetamine. Autism spectrum disorder, social communication deficits plus repetitive behaviors, early onset. Enuresis drug of choice, desmopressin. Conduct disorder, precedes antisocial personality. Diagnosis of antisocial personality, more than 18 years. Oppositional defiant disorder, defiant or argumentative without serious rule breaking. Borderline personality, instability plus splitting plus self-harm. Antisocial personality, disregard for right of others, lack of remorse. Histrionic, attention seeking plus dramatic. Narcissistic, grandiosity plus need of admiration. Bulimia nervosa, normal weight with hypokalemia. Body dysmorphic disorder, drug of choice, SSRI plus CBT. Therapeutic communication. Use open-ended questions. Mental Health Care Act 2017. Advanced Directive and no seclusion. Brief psychotic disorder less than 1 month. Schizoaffective disorder, mood episode plus psychosis with more than 2 weeks without mood symptoms. QT prolongation notable with ziprasidone or haloperidol. Long-acting injectables are useful for non-adherent patients. तो ये थे मेंटल हेल्थ नर्सिंग के 100 वन लाइनर्स, एकदम एग्ज़ाम बूस्टर। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो लाइक करना ना भूलें और सब्सक्राइब करके जुड़े रहिए अगले वन लाइनर सेशन के लिए। अगले वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्सिंग के 100 वन लाइनर्स के बारे में।